Hey there! Are you thinking of syndicating your own real estate deals but not sure whether now is the best time? Well, stick around because I'm about to tell you exactly why now is the best time to learn how to raise capital and build your investor base so you can take full advantage of the opportunities that are coming. Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. It's currently May 2020 and we're in the middle of the coronavirus shelter-in-place lockdown. Employment is rising to historic highs with nearly 40 million people now out of work. Now, with that many people out of work, the question on most real estate investors' minds is, will tenants be able to continue to pay rent? And what will be the long-term effects of COVID-19 on real estate? Now, if you've been investing in real estate for any length of time, you know that many real estate investors, like ourselves, have been waiting for this correction for quite some time. Prior to COVID-19, we experienced one of the longest expansion phases in history as prices continued to climb year after year. Now that the recession is here and prices are starting to fall, the question is, how long will they fall? When will be a good time to buy again? And how can you take full advantage of the opportunities coming down the pipe? In this video, I'm going to walk you through what we foresee happening in the coming months and years based on the same cycles and trends we saw in previous recessions and why now is the best time to learn how to raise private capital for real estate syndications so you can take full advantage of the upcoming opportunities and also help your friends and family in the process. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on all of our videos and so that we can continue bringing you great content. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start first by talking about where we are in the sequence of events and what will happen in the coming months and years. As I said, right now it's May 2020 and we've been in lockdown for about 8 weeks, give or take. In that time, unemployment has risen to over 10 times what we saw in the Great Recession of 2008. Now, this is going to lead to many ripple effects over the coming months and years, and I want to take a moment to talk about that. Now, despite the high unemployment, many renters were able to continue to pay their April and May rents. Why? Well, probably because of a few things. One, it hasn't been very long since they've lost their jobs. And second, the government stimulus money really helped to cushion that fall. So, while many people have been focusing on April and May rent collections, we know that the full effect of the coronavirus lockdown remains to be seen and will fully play out in the coming months. What will likely happen is that the next ripple will be a wave of defaults. We're already starting to see many large companies start to file for bankruptcy. As stimulus money dries up and jobs still aren't back, rent collections may fall, leading real estate owners to default on their loans and then banks to then take over those properties. Now, in this stage, you'll start to see many bank REOs or real estate owned properties. Now, banks are not in the business of property management. So while they will take over and manage those properties in the short term, that's not their long-term goal. Their goal is not to make money through adding value to apartment buildings like we do. Instead, banks will look to offload those REOs at a discount, which is exactly what we saw in the last recession. This means that tons of properties will flood the market and be sold at a huge discount. Now, there are many people out there who think that these discounted properties are right around the corner, but the truth is, it's going to take some time to get to that point. Right now, prices are still falling, so it's likely not yet the best time to buy. Now, these ripple effects from unemployment to stimulus to defaults to REOs will play out over the next 8 to 12 months, give or take. So you can expect to start seeing those great deals come on the market starting in, say, 2021 at the earliest. So, what do you do in the meantime? Sit on your hands and wait, right? No! Now is the best time to take action, to prepare yourself for the slew of opportunities that are coming down the pipe. Now, I don't know about you, but as far as my own cash reserves go, I only have a set amount that I can invest when those great deals come online. So even if tons of great deals flood the market, I might only be able to buy a small handful. To truly maximize your wealth building potential, you need to learn how to leverage OPM or other people's money. Now, this is a win-win because you are compensated for putting the deals together, and your investors get the benefit of investing in great deals. Right now is the best time to learn how to raise capital, to build your brand, to educate your friends and family, and prepare that private equity for the upcoming real estate opportunities. Opportunities that may only come up once in a lifetime. Right now, many people have money sitting on the sidelines waiting to invest in those upcoming opportunities. The problem is, while most people know that opportunities are coming, many don't know exactly how to spot those opportunities or might miss them when they come, but you won't. You are keeping your pulse on the real estate market, educating yourself on what's going to happen, and preparing yourself to fully take advantage of the upcoming opportunities. That's why you're watching this video, right? So now imagine that rather than staying quiet during this time of uncertainty, you rise up and start to share your knowledge with your friends and family. They'll start to turn to you for thought leadership and for opportunities. Many of them may ask if they can invest together with you when the opportunities start to hit the market. This is exactly what you want to happen. Because if you can learn to raise capital and tap into private equity, there is no limit on the number of real estate deals you can do when the opportunities flood the market. Rather than being constrained by your own capital, you can help pool together capital from dozens or even hundreds of investors, just like we do at Goodegg Investments. If, on the other hand, though, you sit on the sidelines during this time and you don't take action, you might miss out on some of the best opportunities of our lifetime when they start coming on the market. We're in the middle of a once-in-a-lifetime black swan event. Now, rather than fighting the things that are happening, learn to ride the waves and position yourself to take full advantage of these life-changing opportunities. So, tell us, are you currently investing in real estate? Have you raised private capital for real estate investments? Or are you interested in learning how to raise capital so you can take advantage of the upcoming opportunities? Comment below and tell us more. And if you're interested in learning how to raise capital so you'll be prepared for the opportunities in the coming months and years, we'd love to show you everything we know. Just go to therealestateaccelerator.com. And finally, if you liked this video, hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I'm Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a sunny side up day.